Mwana Mjende is not here, but definitely you and me are going to have a long discussion right on this camera. But before I actually proceed with the show, like I mentioned, today I'm joined by Grace Soko, who is actually the Lusaka Stock Exchange Business Development Manager, who will be giving us the stock market for this particular time. Good morning, Grace.
Morning. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm okay.
Yeah. How's your Monday so far?
It's a typical Monday.
Like Mondays, would you rate Monday to be one of your favorite days?
Nah, Friday is my favorite, definitely.
You know you're going to have a weekend, yeah?
Exactly.
Ah, nice.
Yeah.
What's on the market today?
So we've actually had some interesting news. We'll start off with the all-share index last week. It closed up at 27,185.20, up from 27,148.08 recorded in the previous week. We had a new listing, Clapton Reinsurance. They came onto the market officially on Tuesday last week. And because of that, they were actually leading in the highest number of trades. They had 2,841 shares traded, followed by Zanaco with 559 trades and Copperbelt Energy with 439 trades. By value, Clapton Reinsurance actually led the market. They traded a total of 3,738,844 kwacha and 92 ingwe in their first week, which is quite commendable. Followed by Copperbelt Energy, who did 2,150,601 kwacha 2 ingwe, and Airtel, which recorded 1,005,217.91 kwacha in turnover. On the price movements, Zafika recorded the largest gain, rising by 2.8% to close at 4 kwacha, 73 ingwe per share. Airtel also advanced by 2.7% to close at 164 kwacha, 30 ingwe per share, while Puma gained 1.6% and Zanaco edged up by 0.1%. We had a few losers as well. On the downside, .com Zambia recorded the largest decline, falling by 4.7% to close at 20 kwacha, 48 ingwe per share. Bata declined by 4.6%, and CEC Africa lost 3.9%. Stanchart lost 3.8%, Chilanga Cement 0.4%, and Copperbelt Energy lost 0.3%. So the rest of the listed securities remained unchanged. So overall, we had 4 gainers, 6 losers, and the remainder of the counters traded unchanged. And that was the summary for last week.
Perfect. I know the numbers that you're actually dealing with. It's one of those numbers that actually, at a certain time, I have to sit down and actually look at them again, reflect on them for me to basically understand. But the good part is that we are live, and I'll be able to replay the video as soon as we are done. But thank you so much, and appreciate you, and obviously looking forward to seeing you next Monday.
Lovely. Thank you.
Enjoy your Monday.
Thank you. You too.
All right. That was Madam Grace Soko, who is actually coming from the Lusaka Stock Exchange, giving us the numbers that were actually recorded, which is last week. Now, like I mentioned earlier on, we are going to dive into our stories that are making headlines